Good afternoon, dear students. I hope you are safe at home. As you know, Corona has spread all over the world fastly, rapidly. Number of death cases are increasing day by day. So it is not possible to hold class in schools. So we have decided to arrange online classes for you. So please enjoy these classes staying at home. Okay. Today we will discuss models. Models are very important in English. If you don't know about models, it means you are missing something in English. Without models, we can't express our views, feelings. So models are very important in English. So don't miss models also. Okay? What is model? Definition. What is model? Models are those helping verbs which tell the mode of an action denoted by main verb. Denoted by the main verb. Models are those helping verbs which tell the mode of an action denoted by the main verb. Helping verbs means auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary means helping verbs. Same thing. Models are those helping verbs. You can say model auxiliaries also. Model auxiliaries also. Model auxiliaries also. Models are those auxiliary means helping verb. Models are those helping verbs which tell the mode of an action denoted by the main verb. Means मॉडल्स वो सहायक क्रियाएं हैं जो कार्य करने के तरीके को बताती हैं. मॉडल्स क्या है? मॉडल्स वो सहायक क्रियाएं हैं जो कार्य करने के तरीके को बताती हैं. दो लड़के बाहर खड़े हुए. टू पर्सन स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड. टू बॉयज स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड. वन कम्स एंड सिट्स without taking any permission. But second boy comes inside. But before coming inside, he says, "May I come in, sir?" It means may is showing the way of his coming, the method of his coming, the mode of his coming. तो मॉडल वो सहायक क्रियाएं हैं जो कार्य करने के तरीके को बताती हैं. कार्य कैसे होता है. दो बच्चे बाहर खड़े हैं, उनमें से एक बच्चा अंदर आ जाता है और आकर के बैठ जाता है. दूसरा बच्चा अंदर आने से पहले कहता है मे आई कम इन सर. मैंने क्या किया? मैंने उसका तरीका बता दिया अंदर आने के. वो परमिशन देके अंदर आ रहा है. तो मॉडल्स वो सहायक क्रियाएं हैं जो कार्य करने के तरीके को बताती हैं. कार्य कैसे होता है. मॉडल्स वी हैव सिस्टम ऑफ मे, माइट, कैन, could, should, must, shall, will, need, dare, ought to. Where these auxiliaries, we call them modal auxiliaries. We will discuss respectively. One by one, we will discuss it. Where we use such type of modal auxiliary in our English, we will discuss. Okay. Modals are those helping verbs which tell the mode of an action denoted by the main verb. Modal वो सहायक क्रियाएं हैं जो कार्य करने के तरीके को बताती हैं. कार्य कैसे होता है. These are modal auxiliaries. Auxiliary means helping. Okay, we will discuss. one by one. Where we use may, firstly we will discuss about may. Okay. First point is use of may. Use of may. Where we use may in English. To obtain permission. To obtain परमिशन. जब आप किसी भी काम में अपने से बड़ों से अनुमति लेते हैं, अपने से बड़ों से आप कोई काम करना चाहते हैं और अपने से बड़ों से अनुमति लेना चाहते हैं, तो आप मे का प्रयोग करोगे. जैसे कि सबसे पहले आप क्या कहते हैं, मे आई कम इन सर, तब आपको अलाउ किया जाता है और क्लास में बैठते हैं, आपकी क्लास में. टू ऑब्टेन परमिशन, किसी भी काम में आपने अनुमति लेनी है अपने से बड़ों से, तो आप मे का प्रयोग कीजिए. टू ऑब्टेन परमिशन वी यूज मे. मे आई यूज योर बाइक. मे आई एंटर इन योर रूम. It means you are seeking permission. It means you are seeking permission. When you seek permission, when you want to obtain permission, then use may in any action. So, first point, to obtain permission. Second, to give permission. To give permission. जब आप किसी को अनुमति देते हैं तो उसमें भी आपको मे का प्रयोग करना पड़ेगा. मे आई कम इन सर, यस यू मे कम इन. मे आई यूज योर बाइक, यस यू मे यूज माय बाइक. मे आई सिट हियर सर, यस यू मे सिट हियर. यू मे कम व्हेनेवर यू लाइक. देयर आर मेनी एग्जांपल्स. टू गिव परमिशन, यू मे कम whenever you like. To obtain permission, to give permission, we use may. First point, to obtain permission. Second point, to give permission, we use may. Okay. Third point, to express possibility. To express possibility. संभावना. To express possibility. संभावना व्यक्त करने के लिए हम मे का प्रयोग करते हैं. Suppose you see dark clouds in the sky, and then you can say it may rain today. Your parent is expected to school. You can say, sir, my father may visit the school today. To express possibility, संभावना व्यक्त करने के लिए हम may का प्रयोग करते हैं. For example, if you see dark clouds in the sky, you will say it may rain today. Today. He is expected to come at any moment. He may come at any moment. He may come at any moment. In this way, to express possibility, we use may in any action. Third point. Fourth point, To express wish. To express wish, we use may. Suppose you are well wisher of someone and you want to express wish or prayer for someone, then you will say, may you win a lottery, may God bless you with his son, may you top the list, may you get first division. There are many examples. यदि आप किसी के शुभ चिंतक हैं और आपने उसके लिए दुआ करनी है, प्रार्थना करनी है गॉड से, तो आप मे का प्रयोग करेंगे। भगवान करे तुम्हारी लॉटरी निकल जाए, मे यू विन ए लॉटरी। भगवान करे आप स्कॉलरशिप जीते, मे यू विन ए स्कॉलरशिप, मे यू गेट फर्स्ट डिवीजन, मे यू टॉप द लिस्ट। देयर आर मेनी एग्जांपल्स। मे यू top the list, may you top the list. There are many examples. To express wish or prayer, we use may. Fourth point. To obtain permission, to give permission. May I come in, sir? Yes, you may come in. May I sit here, sir? Yes, you may sit there. To give permission. Yes, you may come in. You may sit there. You may go wherever you like. There are many examples. Second, third point, to express possibility. If you see possibility in any action, then you can use may. It may rain today. He may come at any moment. The inspector may be the school today. There are many examples. To express wish or prayer. Suppose you are well wisher of someone and you want to express wish or prayer for her, then you use may. May you top the list, may God bless you this. There are many examples. Okay. Fifth point. To express purpose, उद्देश्य व्यक्त करने के लिए. In each and every activities we have purpose. I have come here. This is also a purpose. You are listening to me. This is also a purpose. Each and every activities has a purpose. Without purpose, we never do anything. To express purpose, उद्देश्य व्यक्त करने के लिए हम may का प्रयोग करते हैं. I come here so that I may teach you. Farmers sow seeds so that they may get good crops. He walks fast so that he may catch the tree. He works hard so that he may pass the exam. He takes medicine so that he may get well. There are many examples. बहुत सारे ऐसे काम है जिनमें उद्देश्य होता है और उसमें मे का प्रयोग करते हैं. वह दवाई लेता है ताकि ठीक हो जाए. दवाई लेने का उद्देश्य है ठीक हो जाना. He takes medicine. He takes medicine so that he may get well. ताकि वो ठीक हो जाए. यहां पर दवाई लेने का उद्देश्य ठीक होना. Soldiers fight so that the nation may be saved. सैनिक लड़ते हैं ताकि राष्ट्र को बचाया जा सके. लड़ने का उद्देश्य बचाना. Soldiers fight so that the nation may be saved. There are many examples. He works hard so that he may pass the exam. To express purpose, we use may also. We use may for 5 points. First, to obtain permission. Second, to give permission. Thirdly, to express possibility, if you seek any possibility. Fourth point is, if you are a well-wisher of someone and you want to express prayer or wish for someone, then use may. May you top the list. May God bless you with this one. May you get good marks. There are many examples. यदि आप किसी के शुभचिंतक हैं, उसके लिए दुआ या प्रार्थना करना चाहते हैं, तो आप may का प्रयोग करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल है, दो सारे एग्जाम्पल आप किसी में यूज कर सकते हैं. To express purpose, उद्देश्य व्यक्त करने में may का प्रयोग करते हैं. I have just told you this thing. It takes medicine so that you may get well. Soldiers fight so that the nation may be saved. There are many examples. We wear woolen cloths in winter so that we may save ourselves from cold. There are many examples. We use may for these points. Okay. It is better, students, if you write simultaneously. It is better. Writing is good thing. Sometimes it is not possible to learn or to remember those things which have been told earlier with 100% accuracy. So it is must to write. It is better, it is must to write something. You can check after, what was the thing? You can check. If you adopt this habit, then okay. Now we will discuss might. Where use might? Use of might. Where use might in English? To express slight possibility. Remote possibility. यदि आप किसी भी काम में आपको संभावना दिखती है और वो संभावना हल्की है, स्लाइट है, रिमोट है, हल्की संभावना व्यक्त करने के लिए मे का प्रयोग करेंगे. Suppose you see clouds in the sky. One student can say, "Sir, it may rain today." Second student says, "Sir, it might rain today." Both are right. Listener will understand in this sense they are talking. Both are right. You can say it may rain today. It is also right. It might rain today. It is also right. But senses are different. In these cases, senses are different. So both are right. It is the way of saying. It is the way of saying. The inspector, might visit the school. Slight possibility, remote possibility, हल्की संभावना है. किसी भी काम में हल्की संभावना हो तो हम might का प्रयोग करेंगे. किसी भी काम में. He might come by the morning train. He might come by the morning train. वह सुबह वाली गाड़ी से आ सकता है. श्योर नहीं, 100% आ सकता है. हल्की संभावना है. Might come by the morning train. There are many examples. To express slight possibility, remote possibility, we use might. Second point is to express doubtful condition. If you have some doubts in taking permission, you think that permission will be given or not, then use might. यदि आपको शक है कि अनुमति नहीं मिलेगी तो आप might का प्रयोग करेंगे. For example, might I ask you a question? Might I ask you questions? It means you have some doubts. Permission will be given or not? We use might. In such cases we use might. जब आपको अनुमति नहीं मिलेगी शेयर तो might का उपयोग करेंगे. Might I ask you question? Might I use your phone? Might I use your bike? Way of saying you can use no matter. Third point is two aspects. Past purpose. In case of may, it was present purpose. In case of may, it was present purpose. He takes medicine so that he may get well. He walks fast so that he may get result. He works hard so that he may get good marks. He takes medicine so that he may get well. It was in present purpose. But now it is past purpose. In case of might, it is past purpose. भूतकाल के उद्देश्य के लिए हम might का प्रयोग करेंगे. भूतकाल के उद्देश्य के लिए might का प्रयोग करेंगे. He took medicine. He took medicine so that he might get well. उसने दवाई दी ताकि ठीक हो जाए. उसने दवाई दी ताकि ठीक हो जाए. He worked hard so that he might pass the exam. He worked hard so that he might pass the exam. Two aspects past purpose. There are many examples. Soldiers fought so that the nation might be saved. Farmers sowed seed so that they might get good crops. There are many examples. For these 3 points, we use might. Two aspects: slight possibility, remote possibility. हल्की संभावना के लिए हम might का प्रयोग करते हैं. किसी भी काम में आपको हल्की संभावना नजर आती है तो might का प्रयोग कीजिए. The inspector might visit the school. He might come by the morning train. It means slight possibility, remote possibility. Second point, two aspects: doubtful permission. If you have some doubt in taking permission, you think that permission will be given or not, then use might. Might I ask you permission? Might I sit here? Might I use why? You have some doubts, then use might. Taking permission. Okay. Third point, two aspects past purpose. He took medicine so that he might get well. It was a purpose. I came here so that I might teach you. It was also past purpose. You worked hard so that you might pass the exam. There are many examples. For these 3 points, use might. Dear students, don't think that models will come in our syllabus. No. Make it a part of your life. It is also important to speak English. If you don't speak English, you can't go anywhere. You can't go abroad. So English is must. No matter you will be given job or not, no matter. But at least you have to speak English anyhow. Speak something, no matter. If you speak wrong English, no matter, speak something. Later you will speak accurate English. So this is a part of spoken English also. This is a part of grammar also. So learn it seriously this topic. Learn it seriously. Okay, my turn. Next point is can. Where we use can? In Hindi we say satna, can. to express present ability, वर्तमान योग्यता के लिए, वर्तमान योग्यता के लिए। If you have power to do something, if you have power, capacity to do something, you will use can. I can make a picture. I can lift this box. I can cross this river. I can lift this box. I can cross this river. I can speak Bagadi. I can speak Bagadi also. This is also an ability. So when you find present ability in any action, then you use can. I can speak Bagadi. Use can. आपके अंदर कोई भी कार्य करने की हिम्मत है, योग्यता है, तो आप उसको कहना चाहते हैं इंग्लिश के अंदर, तो आप कैन का यूज करेंगे उसमें। आई कैन स्पीक बागड़ी, मैं बागड़ी बोल सकता हूँ। I can lift this box, I can cross this river, I can jump this wall, jump over this wall. There are many examples. To express present ability, to express formal permission, फॉर्मल परमिशन औपचारिक होती, ये आपस में ही होती है, दिखावे के रूप में, दिखावे के रूप में होती है, आपस में होती है, बराबर वाले लोगों में होती है, बराबर रैंक के लोगों में होती है। ये नहीं कि आप अपने टीचर से आप कह रहे हैं, यू कैन से नो मैटर, he or she will be understood, but sense will be different in that case. दिखावे के रूप में, फॉर्मल परमिशन, दिखावे के रूप में। Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Suppose one boy is sitting on a bench and there is sufficient room on that bench. Another boy comes inside and says, can I sit here? Can I sit here? Suppose you are sitting in a car on a chair and too much space is left there. That one person comes there. He wants to smoke. He says, can I smoke here? Can I sit here? Can I smoke here? It is also right. He is seeking formal permission. He can't sit there without a permission. He can't sit there without a permission. But he is seeking formal permission. Can I sit here? Can I smoke here? Can I use your pen? One pen is lying surplus there on your bench. And the pen of a boy is out of order. Then that students will say, these students, can I use your pen in that case? Can I use your pen? It means you are seeking formal permission. दिखावे के रूप में आपने किसी से अनुमति लेनी है, तो आप can का प्रयोग कीजिए किसी भी काम में। Can I sit here? Can I smoke here? There are many things. To express present ability, to express formal permission. Third, to express possibility. आप मुझे कहेंगे कि सर आपने तो मेरे भी पॉसिबिलिटी बता दी, आपने तो माइट में भी पॉसिबिलिटी बता दी और आप कैन में भी बता रहे हो, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि डिफरेंस कैसे है? देखिए, in case of May, if you see dark clouds in the sky, there is a proof. There is a proof. Without dark lights, nobody will say it may rain today. Nobody will say it might rain today. But there is no proof. Such type of possibility is there. For example, anyone can make a mistake. Anyone can make a mistake. गलती कोई भी कर सकता है, ये संभावना है, ये हमेशा बनी रहती है, गलती कोई भी कर सकता है। Anything can happen to us on the way. रास्ते में भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, ये भी एक संभावना है। इस तरह की संभावना में कैन का प्रयोग करेंगे। For 3 points we use can to express present ability. If you have power to do something, if you have ability to do something, then use can. I can speak powerfully, I can read this box, I can speak French also, I can plow the fields. There are many examples. To express formal permission, if you seek formal permission, then use can I sit here, can I smoke here? There are many examples. To express possibility, anyone can make a mistake. If you seek possibility, anyone can make a mistake, anything can happen possibly. There are many examples. Dear students, don't think that we are learning a particular topic in English. No, you are learning English completely, step by step, gradually. So learn each and everything with heart and soul, with patience, and with accuracy, 100% accuracy. Learn each and everything as bright as sunlight, as true as true. So that you may raise your hand, sir, I know this topic. So, models are very important in English. So, by now we have done 3 topics, may, might and can. I think for today this is sufficient. I hope you have enjoyed my class. If you feel any deficiency in learning, if you have any problem in learning, then you can call up back. No matter. Thank you and have a nice day.